Happy day 3!
Good morning.
Morning. It's Costa Day. And we are going to Jaime's Blue Reef. And we've got about, how long? I don't know what time.
Well, they estimated arrival at 11 o'clock and it's 10:12 local.
So we're almost there.
Almost there.
Come on. Hello. So it is 11:46. We docked at 11 o'clock. And see that ship right there? I'm not talking smack about Virgin.
Just the facts, ma'am.
But the captain just came on and said the reason we're still waiting is because they parked wrong. That's where Norwegian was assigned or usually parks. I don't know how it works. Anyway, they were in the wrong spot, and so the captain said, out of my control, but we had to remaneuver and figure out how to park over here, and then I guess they're still getting cleared now. So we're still not even headed down from our cabin. This is our balcony, and we're looking at the reason that we're still waiting. We'll catch you down on the pier. And this is the herd coming down from the stairs. Look at that water. Welcome to Costa Maya. There's the Carnival Breeze, and here is the Norwegian Breakaway, and there is Costa Maya, and goodness, I don't know if you can see that crowd. Lots of people walking that pier. We're fixing to be one of them. Once you get into the port, just follow the shops all the way around. You're gonna see the shows in the middle. Up on the pole, there'll be native dancers, and just keep going all the way around the edge of the shops until you see the exit sign. This is an amazing port. Even if you don't have an excursion planned, you can have a great time in the port itself. They have a huge swimming pool with a swim-up bar and plenty of loungers. They also have a bird aviary featuring beautiful pink flamingos. You can actually purchase an excursion for a tour of the aviary. Once you get past the bird aviary, you're going to turn to the right and through this like tunnel place, and you just keep walking. You're hugging the stores the whole time, and you just keep going around, and it's going to eventually show you the exit. Until you get out here to the yellow-esque fountain and the yellow thatched roof building, and that's where the exit is. This is where you will be dropped off by the taxi cab, and it doesn't look like maybe what you think it will look like, but this is Blue Reef, which is also Jaime's Blue Reef, and you'll walk down this walkway right here. There are some vendors on this beach, but they're not pushy. You know, they'll ask you and you say no thank you and they'll go away. So you come down to this intersection here where you see beach and businesses to the right and beach and businesses to the left, and you go to the left. People were very helpful when we asked, and Blue Reef, or Jaime's Blue Reef, is right here. And just ask for, Jaime's Blue Reef, and they'll direct you and ask you if you have reservations. You go up these stairs and they will take care of you. And then they will direct you to your reserved spot on the beach. They take about 28 people during the day. We paid a $25 deposit each, and then we pay the rest at the end of the day. And we came out here and they already had our names reserved and our chairs reserved. This row right here is all of our group, and there's JJ right there, and there's my name on the table. So they were ready for us. And this is your view. The water, and Peppo, our guy. The water is beautiful. I haven't been in it yet, so I don't know how cool it is. He said just grab one of these if you want some sun and want to sit in the water, which I'm fixing to do, because that walk from the port was not cool. It was very warm. This is a beautiful setting. Chillin' at Jaime's Blue Reef. with the J-Man. Yeah, so we did the ocean. A little bit of passing shower, not too bad. We ordered lunch, so we're getting chicken nachos and chicken burrito very soon. And it's pretty nice. And here is Peppo with our food, or someone's food. So we'll see if we're fixing to eat. Chicken nachos. Filling my belly. And JJ got a chicken
Burrito.
burrito. We gonna eat with, show them that view, JJ, again.
And bon appetit. Oh, oh, good stuff. We met us a new friend on the beach, and he likes chicken nachos. Good baby, good baby. Go see Uncle Ken. Hey, he'll give you a bite of that burrito. Good girl. Uncle Ken, give that baby a bite.
This is our walking review. Watch out for the ropes. Walking review of Jaime's Blue Reef.
We have several categories.
Oh, we do.
Yeah.
Because, you know, y'all know, if you've watched our vlogs at all, we usually go to Maya Chan in Costa Maya.
Right.
And we like that. But the water is not as nice as, well, let's just say this. This
Correct.
is pretty nice blue water. It's got some seaweed. You know, you can see that here. It's got some seaweed. But nothing like, unfortunately, what Maya Chan experiences, just because where they are geographically.
Right.
So we decided to try this place for something new. However, Maya Chan does have like amenities out the wazoo. Is that a good?
It's true.
It's a good phrase. The freshwater pool. They have food. They serve you at your cabana.
Freshwater shower.
Yeah, freshwater showers. I mean, they have the kayak and the water toys and all that kind of thing.
Right.
So we have the different categories because here at Jaime's Blue Reef, it was easy to get to. Transportation for Maya Chan is included. This was easy to get to, and they're going to refund us $2 per person.
$2 per person
for the
cab
taxi
fare.
ride. And so we know that's coming. And
Which,
the taxi brought us right here. It was just like $8
each
total.
way.
It's $4 per person.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a lot anyway, but that'll be nice of them. And we walked right in, and they said it's right down there. We walked right up, and they walked us to our reserved seat. So that was nice, and that was about the same. The water obviously is nicer here than it is in Maya Chan. The service, however, here,
On a scale of 1 to 10,
about a 4.
about a 4.
Yeah, they got overwhelmed is what happened. The ship, I guess our ship all got off at one time because there's several people here from our ship, and they just got overwhelmed. The wait staff did, and they're probably understaffed.
And there's 3 4,000 passenger cruise ships in port.
Right, so they have people from the Breeze and the Virgin voyages as well. Just for an example, had to ask 3 times for our food. So I went and put in an order. The guy actually wrote it down, and I thought, oh, he's giving it to the kitchen, and then we didn't get it. We asked someone else, didn't get it, had to ask a third person. When it came, though, I thought the food was good. Oh, he had a chicken burrito, and
I had a chicken burrito, and
it wasn't a lot of chicken.
It's mainly rice.
My chicken nachos were good. Not a whole lot of chicken, but they had chicken on them, and cheese and beans, and if you wanted all the veggies, you could have all
So on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you give the food?
The food was about a 6.
For me, it was like a 4.
The restroom facilities are nice. They're, nice and clean. So that's all I ask at a beach resort. I mean, you're at a beach. You know?
Sure.
They don't have showers that I found.
Right.
Did you see any?
No showers, no pool.
Yeah. The palapas and the shade and all, perfect.
Perfect.
That's a 10.
Perfect.
The environment here at Jaime's is a 10.
Yeah. Now bear in mind, the furniture and the amenities are not brand new. They're sitting on the coast.
They're not fancy.
But you are in a good area under shade tree with a nice breeze.
Yeah, we had cushions
chairs
on our loungers.
Yep.
Yeah. It was really nice.
It's not a sandals, I'll just say that. So don't think it's a sandals. You're not paying for a sandals.
Because it's $59 a person?
I think so. Somewhere around there.
$59 a person. And it's all inclusive drinks and food.
Yeah.
And there were some people taking full advantage of the drinks. They were very entertaining. We had a good day.
And we would like to turn around and show them the view to the ships.
Oh, this is like good stuff, y'all. Can you see the ships in the background? The ships right there. Yes, that's all 3 of our ships. This has been our view all day, and it's wonderful. Last comments?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it an overall 5.
Yeah, I'd give it a 6 probably overall.
There you go.
Goodbye, Costa Maya. We're gonna go clean up, and we may go to the MDR tonight. I'm not sure because we're coming in a little early. It's just 4:36, and we don't. All aboard is 6:30, so we don't leave for a little bit longer. So stay tuned and see what we decide to do for dinner. And we're gonna try to go to the show tonight. Burn the Floor, because there's one at 7:30. So stay tuned. So we no longer have a hallway. Well, this ship, we have no hallway because we're like right by the elevator. And so instead of a hallway walk and talk, you have an atrium walk and talk. Oh, we're not even walking.
It's
we
beautiful.
Stopped.
It's beautiful.
Stopped to tell you what we're doing. So we got home from Jaime's Blue Reef. We showered. We were going to go to the buffet because we're really trying to make the show at 7:30. And we decided to go to the MDR instead. And MDR, they have 3 on this ship. They have Savor and Taste and the Manhattan. So we're going to go down here to Savor and Taste. We went Monday night?
Yeah, we also need to check out Manhattan.
Sunday night, I think, is when we went, and it was a 30-minute wait. But it was like at 6:15.
Right.
And right now, it's just at 6, so we're hoping we can get in.
See you there.
We got into Savor immediately, no wait. Already, just a couple of things that I really like. One, they had cheese bread. You already ate yours too. They had cheese bread, which was lovely. And 2, I always order iced tea. They gave me a teaspoon to stir my tea with because I asked for sweetener too. I'm just going to say this, trying not to compare, but the last 2 cruises, Royal Caribbean, did not give me a teaspoon. Just saying. As you can tell, we're in the theater. I did not get sunburned on the beach today, nor did JJ. So dinner was amazing. We have to say, it's better than Royal. So far, all the food, better than Royal. Yeah. And we're here to see Burn the Floor. So we hope to get a few snippets of that for you. Day 3. In the books.
In the books.
So the show was...
Oh.
It was better than a dinner. I was going to use the word amazing again, because I used the word amazing for dinner. But the show, this is what I leaned over to JJ and said. I have never seen better dancers in 17 prior cruises.
Right.
I've never seen better dancers.
Right.
They were amazing. Every dance, every move, every song. This is editing, Sherry. I could not get any little sections of the show because they were the camera Nazis. I tried to just sneak up my phone and take a little snippet of a part of the show. Not even. I heard this voice from behind me say, "Please turn off your phone." So I couldn't get any part of the show. But take our word for it, it was amazing. Yeah, you got to go see it. If you're on a Norwegian, go see Burn the Floor.
I'm exhausted. I'm going to have to rest for a week after watching them do that.
And we flip time zone or time.
Yeah.
Flip an hour. We gain an hour tonight.
You turn your clock back.
Yeah. We're in Harvest Key tomorrow, which is Norwegian's private island. And we are, drumroll, zip-lining.
I got to wear long pants in the Caribbean.
Yeah. Long pants.
To zip line.
And closed shoes.
And closed-toed.
But we have a GoPro, so get ready for that footage on next week's vlog.
Oh my goodness.
Yay!
She's excited. Peace.
Be blessed.